What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of the Denial of the Day podcast. I'm here with claims manager Chris somewhere. Where are you, Chris?
How's it going, everyone? I've got the brick background again.
Yeah, you
I
do.
am.
Hey, what are we talking about today?
So I thought it'd be a good one to talk about claim determination letter, what it truly means, kind of what it says in there, and some things that most people overlook when they get it, that they feel like their claim is actually denied, when
Right.
sometimes it's not.
Yeah.
So,
There's a lot of confusion by kind of all parties, contractors and insureds equally, I'd say, in regards to getting a claim determination letter. Now, one thing I want you guys to all be aware of, insured or contractor, is that sometimes the insurance adjuster is real sneaky and just calls and says, "Hey, we're not going to be able to pay that claim." And you, on the other side, as the insured, you're like, "Oh, okay, why not?" Well, it doesn't, it's below the deductible and we just don't think it's damage. And this is all
mm,
done via phone call. There's
mm,
nothing said in writing. That's called a soft denial. And what the insurance company is trying to avoid is putting something in writing that specifically dictates their findings or determination, hence a claim determination letter. And the soft denial doesn't really do anything for you, where the in writing denial says specifically, hey, we're denying your claim. Here are the specific reasons why. Or what Chris is going to talk about here in a second, what we get a lot is, hey, your claim doesn't meet the deductible, so we're not going to pay anything. Chris, what are
mm.
your thoughts on that?
Yeah, we see that all the time from insureds, even with our
Yeah.
respective general contractors and referral network that we work with. That hey, this claim's been denied. Why don't you go ahead and take a look at it? Because we'll still fight a denied claim.
Oh,
That's what we're good
oh,
at.
has it? Has it been denied?
But that's just it. The first thing I look at is I look at that claim determination letter or I look at that estimate.
Yeah,
And if I see just $1 that they acknowledge, $1, even though it's below the deductible, that means that they have open coverage, which
right.
puts you in a different situation versus
Yeah.
a claim just being denied. And it
Right.
creates
So
different strategy with us of how to approach
exactly. So let me hop in here and I'll let you finish your thought. Most people think, well, my claim is denied because it's below the deductible. Well, they opened the claim, and like Chris just said, they opened coverage. It just hasn't exceeded the deductible. And so we've talked about deductibles increasing. If your deductible is still like $1,000 and they paid or they owe 995, or that's what they said that they're going to pay, it's still open claim. It's still open coverage. You're just below the deductible, so you didn't actually get a dollar. And a lot of times, contractors and more so insureds just think based on that their claim has been denied, and that is not correct. Chris, continue on, my brother.
Yeah, pretty much exactly what you said. I mean, most people, like I said, they're like, I'm denied. But like when we get something, that's the first thing we look at. Okay,
Right.
is it even just they've acknowledged one thing on here and it's $1 even?
Yep.
That's a whole different strategy that we as Bellator will use if we decide to pursue this after our evaluation is complete versus a claim that has been flat out denied,
Right.
completely denied, which we'll still take on if we feel like it's something that we can provide value for. So,
Yeah. If we can bring value to the insured and the contractor in the claim as we work as a team, all of our interests
mhm,
are directly aligned, then yeah, absolutely. We want to bring value to the claim so everybody wins, right? We want to help you
exactly.
win your claim. We're here at bellatorclaims.com, but I want you to understand something exactly what Chris is saying is just because you got a claim determination letter and they're not paying you anything doesn't mean it was denied. It means it might have been opened and it's below the deductible. The other alternative could be, hey, there's nothing wrong with the property. We're not even opening coverage. There's nothing open. The claim has been now closed and your claim is denied because no coverage has been set forth. And in the claim determination letter, it'll tell you why their findings are their findings. Could they be accurate? Maybe. Could they be full of crap? Maybe. That's what we see a lot, right? So just make sure you get somebody involved like us, Bellator Claims, to help you in your situation because we know what we're looking at because we do this every damn day. Chris, what are your final thoughts or anything else that you'd like to add to the conversation, my brother?
Yeah, again, like even if it's $1, that's a small little door that is open.
Right.
And if we see value in there, we're going to go in and kick that door wide open and
Yeah.
get what's truly covered to bring you back to pre-loss condition. So ask the experts, whether it's denial, whether it's, you don't know if they open coverage or not, or you just don't know what's going on.
Right.
Send it to us. This is what we do.
Right.
So.
And so, to your point, Chris, when they pay below the deductible, we call that a diminished claim. The four Ds, I'll just go over them real quick: delays, denial, diminished payments, or if they force you to defend your claim in court, that would be an attorney. That wouldn't necessarily be us. However, I just want you to understand when they diminish your claim below the deductible, the coverage is open. Can we bring value to the claim? Do we see, hey, there's legitimate damage? This estimate is reasonable. And what else is missing? What can we do to help the insured get fully and fairly compensated and be brought to pre-loss condition? That's called indemnification. I want to bring you there if you're an insured. Let us know how we can help you, bellatorclaims.com. And before you go, if you like this content, please like it, comment, share, and then subscribe to our channel because we want to get this message to the world so more people can fight the insurance company, fewer people will get screwed. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. Let us see what we can do to help you out.